Hello friends, welcome back. Today we're going to create a countdown in Adobe Premiere Pro. For this example, I've used a classic rocket launch footage. Drag and drop your video into Adobe Premiere Pro. Now as you can see, the video is quite long. Since I only want to add the countdown until the launch of the rocket, I need to divide the footage. I will trim it starting from the very moment of the launch. Let's create a transparent video. Right-click the mouse, select New Item, and then choose Transparent Video. Stretch this new video until the end of the clip. Now, head to the Effects panel, search for Timecode, and drag and drop it onto the transparent video. The timer is added, but it needs some enhancements. Uncheck the field symbol and select the timecode source to clip. This will start the timer from 0. Now, adjust the time display to the frame rate. The frame rate is crucial, so to find the frame rate of a clip, right-click your mouse and go to Properties. Here, you can see the frame rate. In this example, it's 24. As you can see, we've added a timer, but it needs to count down. Right-click the transparent video, select Nest, type any name, and click OK. The next step is to reverse the time. Right-click the newly created nested video, select Speed Duration, check Reverse Speed, and there it is. Our countdown timer is ready. Let's take a look at what we've done so far. Now, when I use timers, I usually don't bother with hours and milliseconds. So let's get rid of them. Go to the Effects panel, search for Crop, and drag and drop it onto the timer. Now let's adjust it. Make the timer a little bigger, and finally, center it. The final step is to set the countdown timer to start from 10. I will crop the beginning of the video. That's it. Our countdown is ready to go.
T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, and liftoff of Space Shuttle Atlantis on a mission to build, resupply.
If this video was helpful to you, don't forget to like it, and make sure to subscribe to my channel for more informative and educational videos.